Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GoClean Credit. GoClean Credit, a comprehensive review and usage experience. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving deep into GoClean Credit, a service designed to help you navigate the often challenging world of credit repair. This in-depth look will explore its features, target audience, and functionality. If you're considering using GoClean Credit, you'll find helpful links in the description below. GoClean Credit is a credit repair service specifically designed for individuals facing challenges like low credit scores or negative entries on their credit reports. This service is a valuable resource for anyone grappling with credit issues such as collections, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, or errors that could be impeding their financial progress. The core of GoClean Credit's approach lies in delivering personalized, results-oriented credit restoration. A key feature of GoClean Credit is its comprehensive credit evaluation process. Upon signing up, their expert team meticulously examines your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. This thorough analysis aims to identify any inaccuracies or unfairly reported items impacting your credit score. Based on their findings, they develop a tailored plan of action to address and resolve these specific issues. GoClean Credit truly shines in the area of dispute resolution. They take on the often complex task of communicating with credit bureaus and creditors on your behalf. Leveraging proven strategies, they challenge and work to remove inaccurate or outdated information. Their expertise ensures a professional approach, increasing the likelihood of positive changes on your credit report. The dedicated credit experts at GoClean Credit provide ongoing support throughout the entire process. They not only manage disputes but also offer valuable guidance on cultivating positive credit habits for long-term improvement. This personalized support empowers you to take control of your financial future. Transparency is another hallmark of GoClean Credit. They keep you informed about the progress of your case through regular updates, ensuring you're always in the loop. GoClean Credit stands out with its flexible plan options, catering to a range of needs and budgets. Whether you require a one-time service or ongoing support, they offer tailored solutions. Their transparent pricing structure ensures no hidden fees or unexpected costs, providing peace of mind. GoClean Credit is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a professional and personalized approach to credit repair. Whether your goal is to qualify for a loan, secure lower interest rates, or simply enhance your overall financial health, GoClean Credit can help. If this resonates with your needs, explore the links in the description below to learn more or begin your journey towards credit improvement today.